In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the ribbon in Microsoft Word. Customizing the ribbon allows you to organize tabs, groups, and commands so that your most used tools are easily accessible, helping you work more efficiently and tailor Word to your personal workflow. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one. Once Word is open, click on the File tab and select Options. This opens the Word Options dialog box where you can adjust various settings, including the ribbon layout. Next, in the Word Options window, select Customize Ribbon from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see all the default tabs and groups currently available in Word. Each tab contains groups of commands, and this is where you can make adjustments to fit your needs. To add a new tab, click the New Tab button. A new tab and a new group will appear in the right-hand list. Select the tab or group, then click Rename to give it a descriptive name. You can then add commands to this group by selecting a command from the left column and clicking Add. This allows you to include the tools you use most frequently, such as formatting options, review tools, or custom macros. If you want to remove a tab, select it from the right-hand column and click Remove. This will hide the tab from the ribbon without affecting any functionality in Word. You can also rearrange tabs and groups by selecting a tab or group in the right column and using the up and down arrows to move it to a more convenient location. This makes it easy to place your most used features where you can reach them quickly. In addition to adding or removing tabs, you can customize commands within existing tabs. Select a group in the ribbon, choose a command from the left column and click Add to include it in that group. You can remove commands by selecting them in the right column and clicking Remove. This level of customization ensures that your ribbon is tailored to the way you work. If at any point you want to return to the original setup, click Reset and choose either Reset only the selected ribbon tab or Reset all customizations. Once you've made your adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. Your ribbon is now customized with your preferred tabs, groups, and commands. By following these steps, you can create a more efficient workspace in Microsoft Word, streamline your workflow, and have your favorite tools just a click away. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.